Gold just hit an all-time high. Here's what that actually means for your retirement. While record growth has everyone talking, it's also brought out companies that are better at marketing than managing your savings. If you're moving funds into physical metals, you need to know which names are actually transparent and which are hiding true costs in the fine print. I spent months researching the gold IRA space, analyzing dozens of companies, and digging through Better Business Bureau complaints so you don't have to. Today, I'm giving you the straight answer on which companies are leading the pack, based on their fees, transparency, and how they treat their customers after the sale. And by the way, if you want a personalized recommendation based on your specific situation, I've put together a free 60-second quiz linked in the description. It's designed to help you narrow down the field based on your timeline and how much you're looking to invest. How we evaluated the field. To find the best gold IRA companies, we analyzed over a dozen providers using 5 key metrics. First, we looked at fees and transparency, specifically whether you can find the costs easily online or if they're hidden until you're on a call. We also examined BBB ratings and profiles from consumer advocacy organizations like the Business Consumer Alliance and Trustpilot. Minimum investment requirements were a major factor, as some companies require only $5,000, while others won't talk to you for less than $50,000. Finally, we analyzed the responsiveness of their customer service and ensured they use IRS-approved storage facilities like the Delaware Depository. Section 2. The reviews. American Hartford Gold. American Hartford Gold is currently recognized as the best option for low fees, having been in business since 2015. They are particularly investor-friendly because they charge no setup or transfer fees, and they run frequent promotions that can waive your storage fees for up to 3 years. While they don't charge their own fees, you should budget for a $50 custodian setup fee and an annual maintenance fee that ranges from $75 for smaller accounts to $125 for accounts over $100,000. They work primarily with Equity Trust Company as a custodian and offer a relatively low minimum investment of $10,000 for IRAs. With an A+ Better Business Bureau rating and a solid buyback program, they're highly accessible, though you will generally need to provide an email address to access their full educational suite. They're best suited for investors who want a low-cost, established entry point into precious metals without the burden of high upfront administrative costs. Priority Gold. Priority Gold is a strong choice for those who value efficiency and a highly streamlined account setup process. They maintain a high standing with an A+ Better Business Bureau rating and focus on providing what they call a white glove experience for 401k and IRA rollovers. Their primary goal is making the transition from a paper-backed retirement account to physical assets as hands-off as possible for the investor. They offer the full standard range of IRS-approved gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, and generally require a minimum investment of $10,000 to get started. While their website might not have the same level of deep educational video content as some of the massive industry giants, they're widely known for their quick 3-step setup process that minimizes the typical paperwork headache. They're best suited for decisive, busy investors who want a fast, professionally guided rollover without a lot of unnecessary back and forth or technical delays. American Gold and Silver Group. American Gold and Silver Group stands out for its specific focus on price protection and high-value initial promotions. They offer a unique 3-step tax-free setup and a standout 7-day reprice guarantee. This means if the market price of metals drops within a week of your purchase, they may adjust your order so you are not penalized by short-term volatility. They also offer quite aggressive promotions, such as up to $25,000 in free silver on your first qualifying order, and provide free shipping and insured storage to protect your assets. They maintain an A+ Better Business Bureau rating and focus on high standards for customer reliability. However, it's worth noting that they are a more specialized firm and generally have fewer independent third-party reviews on major platforms compared to some of the larger industry giants. This company is best suited for cautious investors who are doing their own research and want an extra layer of security against price fluctuations during that critical window when they first fund their accounts. Thor Metals Group. Thor Metals Group has quickly gained a reputation for its low price guarantee and commission-free programs, positioning itself as a modern alternative to the older firms. They offer expert guidance throughout the entire IRA setup process and frequently feature some of the most competitive promotions in the industry, including up to $20,000 in free metals on qualifying orders. They prioritize the security of your physical assets by offering free shipping and insurance on all orders, ensuring your metals are protected from the moment of purchase until they reach an IRS-approved depository. They hold an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and are committed to clear communication regarding their fee structures. Thor Metals is best suited for investors looking for aggressive promotional silver matches and a high transparency approach to account management from a company that feels more like an advocate than a traditional brokerage. Now, if you're trying to figure out which of these companies is right for your account size and timeline, the quiz in the description takes 60 seconds and gives you a personalized recommendation. It's a logical next step to see which provider aligns with your retirement goals. Augusta Precious Metals. Augusta Precious Metals is often ranked as the best overall company in the industry due to its heavy emphasis on investor education. They have a remarkable record with an A+ Better Business Bureau rating and 0 complaints, alongside a 100% buyback success rate that has been consistent since 2012. However, they're not for everyone, as they require a high minimum purchase of $50,000, and it can be difficult to find specific fee details on their website without a consultation. They're most famous for their one-on-one educational web conferences and potential fee waivers for up to 10 years. Augusta is best suited for high net worth investors who want a partner focused on long-term transparency and deep market education. Goldco. Goldco is widely recognized as the best customer service, boasting over 8,000 5-star reviews and an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. They offer a high industry buyback guarantee and frequently provide promotions such as up to 10% in bonus silver or gold for new customers. While their specific fee information isn't always listed directly on the site, their representatives clarify that they don't charge their own fees, though their recommended custodians typically charge around $130 annually for maintenance. They are endorsed by several major media figures and have a long history of helping retirees navigate the rollover process. Goldco is best suited for those who want a highly guided experience and a proven track record of customer satisfaction. Birch Gold Group. Birch Gold Group has been in business since 2003 and is our top pick for fee transparency. Unlike many companies that hide their pricing, Birch Gold makes their flat rate annual fee structure very clear on their website. Their flat rate model is especially beneficial for investors with large account balances, as your costs don't increase as your portfolio grows. While they hold an A+ Better Business Bureau rating, keep in mind that asset transfers for account setup can sometimes take up to a month to finalize. They're best suited for high balance investors who prioritize long-term cost predictability and want to avoid percentage-based management fees. Summary and comparison. Alright, so I've put a full comparison table in the description below so you can see all these stats, like Better Business Bureau grades and minimums side by side. Historically, gold has been used as a way to diversify retirement plans and acts as a hedge against economic uncertainty. However, it is important to remember that it can be an unpredictable investment, and you should always consult a professional to ensure it fits your overall strategy. Now, before you open an account with any gold IRA company, take 60 seconds to answer 5 quick questions and find out which one is actually the best fit for your situation. The quiz is completely free, there's no obligation, and it gives you a personalized recommendation on the results page. The link for it is in the description. And one quick note before you go, everything in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. I'm an independent researcher, not a licensed financial advisor. Always consult a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and I think you should watch this video next if you're interested in gold IRAs.